When we do a job, like, it has to go flawlessly. So we can't have problems and mistakes and people that are unhappy. So it really makes us go above and beyond and make sure that our customers are happy. Not all impact resistance are the same. One of the only roofs with actual hail coverage. You will probably never need to do a hail claim again while you own the home.
The roofs that we install actually recycle rubber tires. So instead of throwing them away in the landfill, they're incorporated into the roof, and that makes it resistant to hail.
We do all of the exterior. So anything that's damaged by hail, we will fix. Roofing, windows, paint, siding, gutters, stucco. Nomás lo abro así, nomás ¿sí? This equipter raises up like this, so we can just have materials in here, and we can just walk right off of the platform, right onto the roof. This is exclusive to Foothills Roofing and Exteriors. I think there's only one other roofing company in Denver that has one of these machines. Like, when we do this job, we'll go over to the neighbors, knock on their door, let them know, hey, insurance paid for their roof. They might pay for yours. Can we look at it? It's that simple.